A particle P moves in a straight line such that its displacement x meters from a fixed point O at time t is given by x is minus t cubed plus 3t squared plus 8. We want to find the maximum velocity. If x is minus t cubed plus 3t squared plus 8, we know v is dx dt, which is minus 3t squared plus 6t. We want to find a maximum value for v. To find the maximum value of v, we need to differentiate minus 3t squared plus 6t. So dv dt is going to be minus 6t plus 6. For a turning point, dv dt needs to be 0, so minus 6t plus 6 is equal to 0. 6t then is equal to 6, which means that t is equal to 1. Note that dv dt is acceleration. Therefore, the maximum velocity occurs when the acceleration is equal to 0. So when t equals 1, v is going to be minus 3 times 1 squared plus 6 times 1, which is minus 3 plus 6, which is 3 meters per second. So the maximum velocity for this particle is 3 meters per second.